Exploring Alonissos, Greece, ecological paradise in the Aegean Sea. Nestled in the heart of the Northern Sporades, Alonissos is a serene Greek island that stands as a testament to the unspoiled beauty of the Aegean Sea. Often overshadowed by its more famous neighbors, Skiathos and Skopelos, Alonissos offers a tranquil retreat for those seeking to immerse themselves in pristine natural landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and a slower pace of life. Alonissos, with its rolling hills, lush pine forests, and crystal-clear waters, is an ecological paradise. The island is part of the National Marine Park of Alonissos and Northern Sporades, the largest marine protected area in Europe. This park is a sanctuary for rare marine life, including the Mediterranean monk seal, one of the most endangered mammals in Europe. The island's commitment to environmental conservation is evident in its pristine beaches and the crystal-clear waters of the Aegean Sea. The main town of Alonissos, also known as Chora, is perched high on a hill and offers breathtaking views of the surrounding archipelago. Its narrow, cobblestone streets, lined with traditional stone houses, vibrant bougainvillea, and quaint cafes, transport visitors back in time. The town's history is rich, with remnants of its Byzantine and Venetian past visible in the ruins of its ancient fortress and the old churches that dot the landscape. A visit to Alonissos is incomplete without exploring its culinary delights. The island is renowned for its fresh seafood, locally produced cheeses, and the famous Alonissos tuna, a delicacy that has put the island on the gastronomic map. Traditional tavernas serve dishes made with locally sourced ingredients, offering a taste of authentic Greek cuisine. The island's vineyards produce a variety of wines, perfect for pairing with the local fare and enjoying a sunset over the Aegean. For nature enthusiasts, Alonissos offers a network of hiking trails that wind through olive groves, dense forests, and along the rugged coastline. These trails offer stunning vistas and lead to secluded beaches and hidden coves, perfect for a day of relaxation away from the crowds. The island's rich biodiversity is on full display during these hikes, with a chance to spot various bird species, wild herbs, and the vibrant flora that make Alonissos a nature lover's paradise. Culturally, Alonissos has a vibrant tradition in folklore and music. The island hosts several festivals throughout the year, where visitors can experience traditional Greek music, dance, and customs. These festivals are a celebration of the island's heritage and a testament to the strong sense of community among its residents. For a deeper dive into the island's history and culture, the Alonissos Museum offers a collection of artifacts and exhibits that tell the story of the island's past, from ancient times to the present. The museum is a treasure trove of local history, showcasing traditional costumes, tools, and photographs that offer a glimpse into the island's rich cultural tapestry. In conclusion, Alonissos is a hidden gem in the Aegean Sea, offering a blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Whether it's exploring its underwater treasures, savoring its culinary delights, or simply soaking in the serene beauty of its landscapes, Alonissos is a destination that captivates the heart and soul of its visitors.